Congratulations! You have been allowed permission to view this unique video. By the end of this short video, you will learn how to generate huge payouts of at least $943 per day for free. Let me set the record clear straight away. This is not a sales video. I am not trying to sell you anything. But I want to say that this is the most crucial moment of your life. Pay attention and listen to what I have to say. Nothing is more important than that. It's time for you to escape the endless rat race and achieve the lifestyle that you were always dreaming about. Do you ever have the feeling that you are waiting for your life to really start moving forward? Do you ever feel that you are so close and so far from that life-turning moment that will force you to get your life together? All the luxury cars, fancy vacations, and the things that you want are ready for you to grab. Because if you pay close attention for the next few minutes, and I will guarantee that you will not regret it. My name is Peter Rice, and I want you to imagine what it will be like to go on vacation whenever you want. Drive your dream car and provide the best lifestyle possible for your family. Sounds great, huh? Sure it is. But do you see yourself driving those cars, or do you see someone else? I want you to see yourself. I want you to feel it and see how it is to be wealthy and happy. I'm going to tell you how I was gifted $250 and turned it into $19,351.12 after 1 month, into $134,851.25 after less than 5 months. I managed to achieve wealth and happiness, and for free. Even better than that, I managed to help hundreds of people achieve their desires.
Hello, my name is Isabella. How are you guys? I wanted to tell you about my results with Direct Profit System. After using it for the past 2 weeks, I made $5,432.19. I love you and the lifestyle that you helped me to achieve. Bye-bye.
Hi Dylan, my name is Bill and I've been using the Direct Profit System for 2 weeks now, and I have made so far $5,341.75. Now that's only so far. I never actually thought that I could make this kind of money, and I just have to say thank you for giving me this free piece of software. It has really changed my life and I am grateful for that. So I suppose I'm going to talk to you soon, and thank you.
Put your wallet back in your pocket because I'm not selling you anything. I will give you the same system that I am using for free. I want you to learn how I managed to escape from a huge debt and become wealthy and happy. How I became from a disappointment to my family to a dad that his family loves and is proud of, all thanks to Direct Profit System. Today, I am able to produce paydays of more than $500, $700, $1,000 per day. The point is, I stopped trading time for money. How wonderful is that? On the next page, I am going to show you some real-time live results of our team. You will be amazed. But I ask you to wait before you go and see the next page. We need to cover critical issues in the next few minutes. Well, this is a well-kept secret, and after, I will reveal it in front of your eyes only. Then you will understand why no one is talking about it. People will pay you to teach them how to change their financial situation and change their lives. After you will know this secret, the Direct Profit System will generate huge daily payouts for you. Not to your boss, not to some big fat company, to you. You will be your own boss and will be able to afford the lifestyle that others are having right now. A bigger house, a fancy car, a full wallet no matter what. And it will happen to you too. Because this is the life you are about to start living too. Now you know too a part of the secret. The others that know the secret as well, they can afford their dream cars and have dinners wherever they want, even at the most expensive restaurants. And they do it daily without even thinking about the bill at the end of the meal. Who cares about the bill when you make monthly income every day, right? By the time this video concludes, you'll have in your possession the power to earn, and the power to earn big. If you want to achieve wealth and happiness, then you must spend the next few minutes with me. Let me show you my results with one of my private trading accounts. Please do not share this info with anyone. You will get a rare pick inside of one of my private accounts. When I first opened this account 5 months ago, I had only $250, which I used to fund my account, to put some fuel into this bad boy. Let's go live into my trading account today, 5 months later. 1 second, please. Let me get inside real quickly. Here we go. Now what do we have? My balance, $134,851.25. I had 3,776 total trades just in this account. As you can see, I won 3,381 and lost just 395, which gives me huge profit on a regular basis. I'm averaging almost $30,000 per month by just doing what the system is telling me to do. Look at my previous trades. I won all of these trades, and it's all thanks to direct profit systems. The system tells me what to do, and I just follow. And I also withdrew a lot of money from this account straight into my bank account. So I made much more money than that. Money that I am using to provide for my family, taking them to vacations and sending my 2 daughters to private schools. Can you believe that I am giving this software for free? You're angry because you don't know the secret. You work hard every day and can't achieve the lifestyle that guys like me are having with much less effort. Well, don't. Stop drooling over my wealth and success, because I'm going to give you access to this direct profit system tool. In the next few days, I will give you this system to few more, but that's it. The door to my free system will be open for a limited time only. I can't help anyone if I take too many people at once. It's all about timing in life. This is your time to grab your life and start living them as you want to live them, not as someone else tells you to. I've been doing this for the past 3 years. I am not some special guy. I do not have any special set of skills. I was just a guy that had huge debts and had to find a way out before it was too late. It was crucial for me. Since I started making this huge paychecks online, I've helped more than 721 people to change their life and go after their dreams. I was their final resort, and I knew exactly how they felt because one time, not long ago, I was there too. I remember what it feels like to watch your daughter's eyes when she asks for something that you cannot provide. Nothing is more painful than that. I promised myself I must be a better provider for my family. And so I did. Not just for me, but for the hundreds of people that have joined my team for free. Let's see what some of them have to say about my system.
Hi, what's up, Peter? Just a quick update about my first month using direct profits. I made $9,458.47. All I can say is wow, this is way beyond my wildest dreams. And now I'm finally able to get my wife that new car that she's always wanted. Thank you so much.
Hello direct profit guys, I wanted to update you that I just made my best month so far with direct profit system, $14,214.63. I'm sure it will just keep on growing, and I want to thank you for helping me achieve my goals, especially to Angela from the support center. You were just amazing last week. I now have the time to do the things that I really love to do. Thank you so much.
While me and my partner sleep late and go to vacation whenever we want, you wake up early and go to work for someone else. You trade time for money. Time, the most valuable thing on earth. I was there, buddy. Trust me. It's much better to live like we do. I love being home when my daughters get home from school. It's the best. I'm a family guy with 2 daughters. I almost lost all of my money by going into business with my father-in-law. He wanted a loan in order to open up a restaurant. The restaurant was a failure and the bank took over the place. I got into a big debt and my family was at risk of becoming homeless. I felt that I failed them. I was ashamed of myself for doing so. Is this what life has to offer me? I asked myself over and over. In one of those dark days, I was approached by one of my best friends, and he said that he was working on something big and wanted me to work with him together. He wanted me to use my knowledge in the stock market and binary market. My wife said that I need to go find a real job that will get us out of the big financial hole that I got us in. She didn't believe in me anymore, and I can't blame her. I was working 15-hour days at a Pizza Hut as a delivery boy at the age of 30. When I was finally back home from work, I had like 5 minutes to spend with my family before I had to go to my friend's office to work another 6 hours every day in order to build direct profit system. I almost never saw my kids at that period of time, and my wife was talking about getting a divorce. Those days were awful for me. But I found myself in tech geek paradise, and after 7 months and 17 days, we tested the system for the first time with real money. We made over $214.78 after 2 hours, and I was thrilled. After tweaking the system, we were able to generate profits of more than $12,457.19 in just 11 days. From being the poor guy, I became the go-to guy when friends wanted to improve their lifestyle. I quit my horrible job and finally had the chance to rebuild the relationship with my 2 daughters and my wife. Things were going smooth with my wife, and we managed to find our love again. I took my wife and the girls for 2 vacations at the same year, and after a while, I bought my father-in-law his restaurant back from the bank. He was crying his eyes out and was grateful. After helping out some of my friends to make tons of money, I felt I was the luckiest guy in the world, and I wanted to give back to the world by helping as many people as I can. That's why I created the new and improved direct profit system. I am truly lucky, but helping others enjoy your knowledge, I now have enough. I have 2 to 3 savings accounts and college funds for my kids, and I bought my parents a new house, car, and a fund if they ever need anything. Money, for me, is not an issue anymore. I feel like I won the lottery. I have no debts, paid off my mortgage, and bought the car I always wanted. Life is good, and it is time to give back to the universe by helping you and others. You are so lucky. You should call the person that sent you this video and say thanks. I'm serious. No one is bossing me around and telling me what to do with my time. I don't trade time for money. Time is just for me to do what I love. My amazing system shows me which trades I should take, and this way I can always have the upper hand. Not like those poor guys that are failing daily to make a dime only. I'm tired of watching people failing online. I want to help them all for free. This is my way of paying back to the universe. I could easily charge people $5,000 for just using this system for 3 months. But I already made enough money that I don't really need to charge you for that. My payment is your happiness and the transformation that you will have in your life. The same amazing transformation that I had in my life. So the first thing that you need to do is enter your best email address below and click the access button. Do it now so I can save the spot for you. This spot is for lifetime, and you don't need to pay me anything for giving you access to my system. This is the system that changed the lives of hundreds. Do not miss it. Access now, and let's meet up in the video where I'll give you all of the information that you need. You are one of the lucky ones who have the chance to gain free access to this software. To secure your place, all you have to do is complete the registration process. It's up to you to secure your future. You have the chance to change your financial destiny right now, and you know it. So what do you have to lose? It is literally a win-win situation. I have done as much as I can to provide the best system for you. But you will have to choose to take affirmative action. Simply enter your email, activate your account, follow the instructions, and stop dreaming of a better life, as you are about to live in one.
There's no such thing as a typical trader. That's why we're not a typical trading provider. We're dedicated to providing an experience as unique as you. Built by traders for traders. Switch to CMC Markets today.
Let's talk about channels for a minute. Here we've got an upward trend, and as we discussed previously, we can draw a support line which represents a diagonal which is kind of guiding the price, and the price keeps bouncing off it in its journey to the top. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this diagonal and we're going to copy it and we're going to put it above the price. So there it is. It's got the same angle as the first one, and it's sitting on one of the highs of the price. So once again, as you can see here, the price is also bouncing off this diagonal as well, and bouncing downwards. The price is kind of moving in a channel or corridor. Now, what are we anticipating from the price going forward? Well, right now we are probably expecting for the price to bounce off the top border and then to go back up. This is where we would enter into a buy order. So once the price has bounced off, we would wait for it to hit this bottom border of the channel. We would enter into a buy order, and if the price goes in our direction, once it hits the top border again, that's when we would close our trade. So it's important to note here that in an upward channel, it is recommended to trade only buy orders. And why is that? Well, let's take a few steps back for a second. At this stage, we're anticipating for the price to go down. So we could technically conduct a sell order, but it's not advisable for two reasons. First of all, we'd be trading against the trend, and that's something we said we shouldn't do. We should always trade with the trend. And second, as you can see here, the downward movement is actually smaller than the upward movement. So in an upward channel, if you create sell orders, you will always earn less than if you create buy orders. So that's another reason why in an upward channel you should only trade buy orders. Next, we're going to look at a downward channel. So here we've got a downward trend. We can draw a resistance line. If we copy that line, we can see that very often the price will also follow the copied line. So it won't break through it, it will bounce off that line. And channels are very common on the Forex market. And you'll see this from our live trading on a real account further down in this course. So here we're expecting the price to go up. Then we'll conduct a sell order and we'll close our order once the price reaches the opposite side of the channel. So once again, in a downward channel, it is advised to open sell orders because you would be, in this case, you'll be trading with the trend and you will get longer movements. And so those are the two main ways of trading channels. It's actually one way, but in two different types of channels. And it's always trading inside the channel. And more often than not, the price does stay in the channel. But sooner or later, of course, the price will break the channel. And that's why there's an alternative strategy where, in this case, instead of opening a sell order, you would open a buy order. And you would expect the price to go somewhere out of the channel. You would use this strategy when your other analysis is telling you that this channel is getting too old and the price is going to break through it. So when a channel is quite new, there's more chances that the price will stay inside. When the channel has been around for a while, the chances of the price breaking out are constantly growing. Both strategies are valid. Depends on the situation and what your other technical analysis tells you. So to sum up with channels, direction, trade with the channel, stay inside the channel. It's more likely that the price will bounce into the channel. There's an alternative strategy, which is a breakthrough strategy, and that is used when you expect the price to break free from the channel. Alright, so that was channels. Did you enjoy this tutorial? Well, if you did, then you might want to check out the full course. And the good news is that I've prepared an exclusive discount for those who have seen this preview. Just check out the link in the description of this video and you can get the full course with a massive discount. I look forward to seeing you in the course, and until then, happy trading.